Rain showers scatter early on Thursday. Some sunshine, mixed clouds, and very warm and humid with highs near 90. From the Fox 59 Weather Authority, I'm Chief Meteorologist Brian Wilkes. Indy's guaranteed lifetime lacing. Call 317-2020 or visit 2020indy.com.
This report is sponsored by ExpressPros.com. Looking for an easier way to find your next job? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit ExpressPros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support your workforce needs.
iHeartRadio is the #1 choice for music, video, and podcasts, all in one. No one makes it easier to hear everything you love in one free app.
I'm so done with using a bunch of apps.
iHeart has it
All right there together in one place.
all.
Podcasts,
Got all the music.
I think that's my favorite thing.
Get it all on the app.
No other app gives you the all-in-one experience. All free.
If you're not one of the tens of millions who have the app, download iHeartRadio for free today and start listening.